lot of times people ask me, I'm guilty, can I just plead guilty in my DUI and start my probation? And the answer is no. Under the Constitution of the United States, you're going to have an attorney because you can be sentenced up to 1 year in jail. If you can't afford one, you don't have a job and you're not a student and you're just plain broke and poor, you might be able to qualify for a court-appointed attorney. But if you can't get a court-appointed attorney, you need to hire an attorney to represent you. An experienced attorney can help you a lot. First of all, our job is to make sure that the law enforcement did their job. We'll ask for a dash cam. We'll make sure they stopped you with probable cause, that they said the things you said they said, that they did everything appropriate. We have an administrative hearing where we can ask the officer questions. We can make sure that he did his job. We can verify whether or not the breathalyzer was used correctly. That means there are certain procedures and protocols they have to use to run the breathalyzer. If they didn't do it, then we can maybe get your license back with the administrative hearing before the Department of Public Safety. On the criminal side of the case, experienced lawyer is helpful because we know the players, we know the judges, we know the lawyers in the district attorney's office, and we know what's a reasonable offer and what's not a reasonable offer. We know that situations will arise where you have questions, you can call up and say, what about this? I can't make court today, what do I do? There's all sorts of things that happen during the time before you enter your plea and while you're on probation. We have the experience to be here. We've been here for over 34 years. We handle these cases regularly, and so we're a phone call away. And so when you call, we can give you answers and we can give you correct answers. To go with an inexperienced lawyer could be problematic for you down the road if they don't have all the right answers.